How to fix Facebook you can't send friend request right now. So if you're facing a problem with that message on Facebook, if you're not being able to send friend request, then the first thing you need to do is wait. So let me tell you one thing, that sometimes Facebook will limit your friend request. For example, if you have sent more than the limit of friend request in one day, then the Facebook will freeze your account or will stop you from sending the friend request. So the first thing you need to do is you need to simply stop that for 24 hours. You should wait, and after waiting for 24 hours you can simply send the friend request again. So that's one way. And the second way is to simply check the person's username or the person's ID. So if you're finding to send a friend request to your friend, then if you're not being able to have that ID, then that means you have simply entered the wrong username. Or if that's not the case, then the last thing is you have to make sure that your app is up to date. So to check that, you can simply open up your Play Store application, and then you can go for the search bar and then search for Facebook. And after searching, if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you can simply tap on update, and you have to update your Facebook application. And after updating, you might fix that problem. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.